Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I want to show you how you can track your Command email engagement within the Reports applet in Command. Since the Reports applet has a new look to it, it's updated, I might want to show you how you can find that report now. So within Command, each agent has Command Email, which is the default email service to send emails from applets like the smart plans, campaigns, opportunities, and things like that within Command. So each associate has 5,000 email sends per month at no charge, although you can upgrade that if you need more than 5,000. So as the month progresses, there's a report within Command that shows you the metrics into how many emails or what percentage of emails have been clicked, opened, replied to, unsubscribed, things like that. So first thing we want to do is we want to log into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. We're going to click the Reports applet on the left-hand side. It's these three bars with the graph going through it. So we'll click on that. And now through here, you're going to find the Emails applet, which on my screen is a little further down, although you can click the star and it'll add it to the favorites and it will make it the very top one. So up to you. Click Email Metrics. And through here, you are going to see a color code legend. So green is for emails sent through campaigns, blue is sent through smart plans, yellow are sent through contacts, pink is MC recruits, purple MC associates, orange MC smart plans. Those are if you are in Command MC, so Market Center staff, that's for you. And then green would be other. So if you take a look at this, you'll see your account usage, which will be broken down. We don't have very many emails sent, so you can't see a lot here, but it's going to show the percentage of your limit that's been used. So since we only have 2 this month, you can't even see them because that does not even add up to a full percent. But if you did, you would see all of this broken down by color on what applet with these same colors that you see up here, what applet uses the most emails up. Scrolling down, well, we'll stay up top for now. You can filter this by the different applets. So we can say all applets, or we can only show campaigns, smart plans, contacts, things like that. We can filter by month, so we can see this month, or we can see previous months. We can upgrade our plan directly through here, so we can just click that. And it's going to bring us to the KW Marketplace where we can subscribe to more emails. But then as you come down, you're going to see your delivery and engagement through here. So you'll see how many of the emails that were sent were delivered, how many were undelivered, opened, clicked, replied, or unsubscribed. You'll be able to see those here. The actual numbers are down below. And then if you click View Details, you will be able to see those specific details as well. So if we went, for example, we just wanted to look at the ones for the contacts. We can go and we can see which emails it was successfully delivered to, what applet that was through, and then the subject of the email that was sent to them. So that you'll see that no matter what applet it came from, you will see it through there. And if you have it all applets, you'll see it broken down that way. Scrolling down, you'll also see your reputation metrics. And your reputation metrics are going to show how many people have marked you as spam in the last 30 days. So if you clicked View Details right here, you would be able to see a full list of the contact's email address that marked your email as spam. Currently 0 are marked spam, so it would not show on there, but you would be able to see which recipients clicked marked it as spam. There's also a visual indicator showing the percentage of emails that have been marked as spam, as well as there's 3 different reputation metric statuses that would be based on the percentage of emails that have been marked as spam. So on track would be less than 0.025% of emails have been marked as spam. On watch would be between 0.025% and 0.05% have been marked as spam. And on alert would be more than 0.05% of emails have been marked as spam in the last 30 days. So Just know that this tracking can be a little inconsistent due to how email carriers track those emails. However, this is the detail right there, and you can see those percentage marks right there. So yeah, if you have any questions, run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com.